Welcome to this week's edition of Obesity Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Viking Therapeutics suffered a major market setback this week. Shares dropped nearly 43% following underwhelming data from a mid-stage trial of its oral obesity candidate, VK2735. The drug demonstrated an average weight loss of 12.2% over 3 months. However, high rates of nausea and vomiting raised tolerability concerns. Investors were particularly disappointed, given comparisons with Eli Lilly's Orforglipron, which has shown superior efficacy and safety in late-stage trials. OptiBiotix has announced a new distribution agreement for its functional ingredients, SlimBiome and WellBiome. The deal, signed with an unnamed yet established weight management brand, will see both products launched under a private label. This move signals increasing demand for non-drug solutions that target hunger and cravings, reflecting a growing interest in holistic weight control strategies. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals has received FDA Priority review for Setmelanotide, its candidate targeting acquired hypothalamic obesity, a rare condition. The drug's Phase 3 data demonstrated a 19.8% reduction in BMI compared to placebo over a 52-week period. The FDA has set a PDUFA date of December 20, 2025. In parallel, the European Medicines Agency is reviewing the submission. Rhythm plans to host an investor event this September to outline next steps. Novo Nordisk is preparing to unveil landmark cardiovascular data for Semaglutide at the European Society of Cardiology Congress, taking place from August 29th to September 1st. The presentations will cover both Wegovy and Ozempic, with data showing Semaglutide reduces cardiovascular risks by 20 to 26%. Evidence will include real-world outcomes and clinical trials addressing both heart and kidney health. Meanwhile, Eli Lilly's Orforglipron continues to build momentum. Phase 3 results show that 59.6% of patients on the highest dose lost at least 10% of their body weight, and nearly 40% achieved weight loss of 15% or more. Notably, the drug also showed a lower discontinuation rate compared to placebo, despite the presence of gastrointestinal side effects. Lilly plans to file for regulatory approvals globally by the end of the year. Finally, Reshape Life Sciences has rebranded as MedTimo, signaling a new strategic direction under its parent company, Biorad Medicis. The company will continue focusing on its established lap-band system, while also expanding efforts around Stymel, a neurorehabilitation therapy designed for stroke patients. The rebrand supports a vision to scale operations globally across both the obesity and neuro-rehab sectors. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.